How to believe in yourself. 1. If you don't, who else will? Maybe you have a system of people who love and support you, and that's great. But at the end of the day, only you can act on the opportunities in your life. At some point in your life, you'll have to take a leap of faith. And you'll have to trust in your ability to survive it. 2. You'll fail more gracefully. Look, it happens to all of us. Even the most successful people know what failure feels like. But they know that, as long as they learn something, they'll continue to grow. You can be like that too. You just have to trust yourself. 3. Being follows doing. Sometimes you have to act positive to get positive. If you don't believe you're worthy, neither will other people. You have to suspend your disbelief and take the leap to act like you believe in yourself first. You'll see yourself through new eyes, and so will other people. Negativity begets negativity. That's why you should flip the script. When you show more positivity, you'll attract more positive people in your life. 4. You'll inspire yourself to keep going. You'll encounter all sorts of obstacles in life. You'll feel tired, weary, and want to quit. But if you believe in yourself, you'll look back on all your previous successes and remember that better is possible. 5. You'll start reaching your goals. How can you reach your goals if you don't even think you can? Your successes shouldn't be a surprise, they should be a validation of your belief in yourself. Believing in yourself helps you focus and increases productivity. Positive thinking is infectious, and it'll spread to others, inspiring them to believe in themselves.